Good morning, friends. Welcome to goonlinetrainings.com. So happy Diwali, guys. And today we're going to be having data analytics using Power BI, which is a 3 months course. Daily 1 hour live class will be there from Monday to Friday. And Saturday, Sunday, we don't take any classes normally. But demo classes we will have on Saturday also. So tomorrow also you have a demo class. So same meeting you can use, same time you can just continue. And this will be completely online classes. We don't have any classroom classes anywhere. And daily 1 hour of class will be there. And Monday to Friday, Saturday, Sunday, we don't have any classes. Remember this. I cannot complete the course within 1 month. If you have, only 20 days of time, and if you wanted to complete everything in 1 month, means I will not be able to complete. Minimum 3 to 6 months time you need to give to understand any proper skill. Can you learn English in 21 days? A lot of books have been published. Learn, Sanskrit in 20 days. Learn Hindi in 21 days. Can you learn any course in 20 days or 21 days? You will not be able to learn. If somebody tells you, you learn Python in 20 days or learn, Python in 4 hours, a lot of YouTube heroes are going to be making this kind of a things. But students are going to be getting cheated by these kind of a headings. You cannot learn the skills within 4 hours or 5 hours. Even though you learn, you will not be able to become a proficient to get into IT industry, right? So if you want to get into IT, you need to have a minimum 1 year or minimum 3 to 6 months of time you need to have, and that is always important. Next one, many people will ask me, sir, what is the course I should do it? Instead of a course, I always say you have to choose a proper guru or mentor, right? So if you ask me, sir, which is the good movie, so should I choose the movie or should I choose Rajamouli? Definitely I will choose Rajamouli than the movie story, right? So if you have proper director in your life, so anybody can become anything in this world, right? So don't choose the movie. I always recommend you choose the proper director in your life. Lot of intelligent guys also working for 20, 30,000 rupees. Not intelligence alone will be giving you a success. So along with the intelligence, you need to have proper mentors in your life. I had seen lot of BTech guys, MTech guys working for 20, 30,000 rupees. Lot of MBA guys also working for 40, 50,000 rupees after 10 years of their career, career experience. But normal guys, so people who does not have proper degrees and 10 years into non-IT field, with one proper good mentor, proper good, gurus. So these guys are able to crack, 20, 30, 40 lakh salary packages because of one good guru and enough time. Blindly, they're following the gurus, nothing else. No cousin, no brother, no nothing. Only one guru. They're choosing blindly, they're following. Even though a lot of people will say, sir, my cousin is telling me like that, my brother is telling me like that, my sister is telling me like that. Forget about all of them. I'm your brother, I'm your sister, I'm your mentor. So choose one proper mentor in your life so that you need not worry about anything. If you don't have the proper mentor, and only if you watch YouTube videos, and if you're getting inspired by the YouTube means, you will get a lot of issues. Clear? Never go to YouTube and take a decision immediately. Talk to the people continuously and understand what kind of a thing they are giving. You read their reviews, you attend those classes, and after that you take a final decisions. Clear? A lot of people told me from Maharashtra, from all over the world, sir, we paid 4 lakhs for Manipal University data analytics course. How much they paid? 4 lakhs. What will they get? Only videos and one mentor. You have to watch the videos for 1 week, and Saturday you need to chat with the mentor, and the mentor is telling me, forget about all the videos, you join Bhaskar Jogi classes. And many people have paid 4 lakhs, they again rejoined the class, and they told me, sir, that Manipal University syllabus and the teaching is completely useless. Not only that, Coursera, Upgrade, lot of other institutions also charging a lot. and you're not able to understand anything because they don't teach you anything from the basics, and nobody will be there to guide you. Always they say that you need to follow this link, that link, and no proper human help is not going to be there. And you will come to know that you're, got cheated by those institutions. Very big brand institutions are there. They are going to be cheating you, right? If you catch any brokers, they'll say, I will teach you everything in 20 days or 1 month. You pay me 3 lakhs or 4 lakhs, will give you job. So those kind of people also will ready to teach you. They'll say that we'll give you proxies, we'll give you that, we'll give you this. So nothing is going to be happening. So without proper knowledge, you cannot survive in the IT industry. The manager can catch you within 1 day, right? So they will ask you, what is the previous experience you have? Do this task in front of me. That's it. So you will not be able to do anything. So never go those kind of things. You take enough time. You have invested 15 years of education, right? And with that 15 years of education, BCom, BSc, BTech, whatever you have done, you will get a 20,000 rupee job today because you don't have any skills today. Because of AI, because of today recession is going on, with you with those kind of skills you cannot get a job, right? So either 40 or the 50% of the people does not have the proper skills, clear, or they are not ready for the market at all, clear. So those kind of a people either upskill or reskill. Without that, you will not be able to get a proper jobs. So under my guidance, people who are getting 20,000 rupees per month, Akshay, he was running his own bakery. At the age of 36, he got 27 lakh salary package. Just now I had shown you though his WhatsApp chats. And recently, this month, last month, October, Mr. Mukesh Srivastava from Delhi, he was working for a law firm as a data entry operator for last 10 years. His peers was telling, hey, Mukesh, now you're trying for IT jobs, you will not be able to survive. Everybody is telling, including his managers. So you don't jump into that. Even though you get a job, you cannot learn the courses. Somebody is cheating you. So that is how his peers from his company telling. But they continuously was calling, sir, this is what is my problem. I'm having not even proper degree, BSc distance education degree I have. Sir, I'm having 10 years of education, the career gap into non-IT field. That too, one law firm. I was a data entry operator. Current my salary package is 8 lakhs. Now, can I learn this course? 1 year back, he came, right? Now, today, he got two offer letters. One is with 16 lakhs with Pfizer, second with Sutherland at 23 lakhs. 8 lakhs to 23 lakhs. How? Because of one skill, one good mentor. So not only these guys, many people I can give you from people who are earning 13,000 rupees 10 years back, call center guys, they joined. Today their package is 50, 60 lakhs in India, Hyderabad, right? So now tell me who's helping them? It is proper mentor and proper guru. So end of the day, it is not your intelligence alone can help you guys, right? If you don't have a proper mentor, with your any PG, any degree will not be enough to success in your life. I'm telling you repeatedly. So try to get into proper mentors, guidance. Otherwise, simply learning any course will not boost you any job, because many people will do a lot of courses. You can buy a course in Udemy for 300 rupees, you can learn, but can you get a job? It is not like that, right? For example, you got a cancer treatment, you go to the medical store, buy a medicine, so can't you cure that? No, 100% you will not be able to get it. You have to reduce the weight. If you simply following YouTube videos, means you can do within 2 to 3 months. After that, again you leave it, right? So with the YouTube or the friend suggestions, you cannot reduce the weight, you cannot become an expert, you cannot cure your disease until and unless you have a proper doctor, proper lawyer, proper gurus, and proper support. Without that, never go into any kind of a thing. It is a simply time pass and a waste of money. Clear, guys? That is what is important. So today I'm going to be talking about a few technical things, few non-technical things, and the career counseling sessions I'm going to be talking about, not only today. So later classes also I will be able to tell you a lot of other things, because which are needed for you to boost your energy. Clear? Your brain is more powerful than your AI today. But only thing is that we will give the brand. I'm a BCom guy. I'm a 10 years housewife, and I'm 15 years, finance guy. I cannot get into IT. I was in civil engineering background. I am from mechanical background. I'm a MBA background, BCom background. Today I cannot learn anything. So data analytics is the course anybody can learn. Even 10th class, 10 times failure guys also can learn data analytics. If you know 2 plus 2 equals to 4, you can learn data analytics or Power BI. It is very easy. Only thing is that you need to have proper mentor in your life, proper coach in your life, so that I'm going to be starting from very, very basic level to advanced level of, data analytics. Anybody can learn little coding or less coding. 3 months you can complete the course. Daily 2 hours, 3 hours of practice, you need to do it. You need to have definitely a laptop. If you don't have the time in the morning, daily recorded videos are going to be uploaded. You can watch them anytime, right? So guys, happy Diwali once more. Let me start the class. This form I have given, make sure that you fill the form to get daily recorded videos, and you will get the special discount when you fill the form. If you don't fill the form, you will not be able to ask for the special discounts. The fee discounts and will be given on Monday. So today and tomorrow we have class, and Sunday is holiday. Monday is the final day demo. After the demo, you will be able to get the discount and the final fee that you can make and pay in the installments as well. So if you have any questions on the fee, you will be able to call to this call center morning 10 o'clock to evening 6 o'clock, or maximum 7 o'clock you will be able to call. So Monday to Saturday you will be able to call, right? If they're not able to answer, whatever be the reason, if you don't get the proper question, you can escalate the matter to me anytime, right? So this is my number, Bhaskar Jogi, 9919919452. If you need one-to-one career counseling or one-to-one lab sessions, if you need any doubts clarification sessions, so you can call me anytime. You can WhatsApp me saying that this is the error I'm getting. Sir, how do I solve it? You can just call me. I can call you back. We will connect one to one. I will be able to resolve it. Clear? So take this number, or you can also WhatsApp me, bhaskarjogi@gmail.com. So no trainer is going to be giving you their number directly, but I want it to be there in your life till you get the placement, or after getting the placement also. I want to help you to grow in your life, right? This is the guy I was talking about, Mr. Mukesh Srivastava, working for a law firm as a data entry operator. 8 lakhs he was earning, 10 years, that too BSc distance education. He got, 23 lakhs, one offer letter, 16 lakhs, one more offer letter. He got it. I can show you those offer letters also. I cannot record and upload in this YouTube. So I can give you his details also. You can just talk to him if you wanted to talk to him. If you need, I will call him for the direct meeting. So after 1 week, you can also talk to this guy, how he's able to crack the interview. He took almost 1 year, not 3 months, not 6 months, because he was working slowly, and within 1 year is able to crack 23 lakhs. Now people, he was saying, sir, 99% of the interview questions from your syllabus only. That is what he said. Not only he, 30 lakhs job, Akshay got it. He was telling, sir, I cracked the interview because of your syllabus only. 99% of the questions people are asking from our syllabus. I did not prepare anything. Whenever I was failing, I was referring to your notes. The point was there. I missed it. That's like that. People will be telling. So 90% of the interview questions will be asked from our syllabus only. Blindly follow our syllabus. You will be able to easily crack anything in your life, whether it is in India or Dubai or Canada or any country. So the same syllabus will be followed, and same questions are going to be asked, right? Mukesh Srivastava got two offers, 16 lakhs and 20 lakhs, Pfizer and Sutherland as a data analyst. And Sham Kumar from Hyderabad got an offer. This is last month. Smart Folks, Hyderabad, 20 lakh salary package. I can also invite him. And Harsha got an offer, 35 lakh salary package in Accenture, just 1 month back, all these people, right? Kaushik Mitra from Kolkata, he was a BCom student and working for a small company earlier, 2.5 lakhs to 5 lakhs and 16 lakhs, 19 lakhs. He got one more offer letter also, four offer letters, five offer letters he got it, but only three salary package I knew. Currently is working for Adidas from Kolkata as a data analyst. BCom guy, I have recorded his success story, uploaded in Bhaskar Jogi YouTube channel. You can just go to my Bhaskar Jogi YouTube channel and subscribe it. You will be able to see all these success stories, right? So today I'm going to be talking about what is business intelligence, what is data analytics, so what is data science or AI and ML, what is data engineering, what is a cloud technology, what is Azure and what is AWS, and how is the job market all over the world, especially in India, what is the eligibility to get IT job, who can learn this course, what is the duration of the course. Some of them I have already told, the duration will be 3 months minimum to complete the syllabus. November, December, January, and we will be able to complete the syllabus. Monday to Friday, we will have classes. That too, 1 hour of live class will be there. Whatever be the reason, if you're not able to attend, I'm going to be giving you daily recorded videos. Clear? And who can learn this course? Any graduates, BA, BCom, BSc, botany, zoology, BTech, civil background, mechanical background, 10 years of gap, or you have educational gap, or if you have a career gap, you're a housewife for 10, 15 years. If you wanted to get into IT industry today, lot of remote jobs are available. Anybody can get into IT industries today with the proper skills. Clear? So anybody can learn. There's no problem at all. Timing is not a problem at all because completely daily recording videos will get uploaded and it will be given to you so that you will be able to watch these videos whenever you get a time. And I have given my number. Anytime you can just call me, ask me, sir, this is the question I have. Can we connect one to one? So that is also gone. Who can learn this course? Anybody who knows 2 plus 2 equals to 4. So those people can learn this course. I am going to be starting this course from the zero. Zero means you need not know anything. Even though you know, I strongly say you forget about it. If you know something about data analytics, you forget about it. Learn from zero. Learn from very, very basic level to advanced level. What is the eligibility means? Anybody can get into IT industry. They're eligible. You have to have any qualification, either full-time education, part-time education, distance education, any qualification, BA, BCom, BSc, anything is fine. What is the job market means? We have a very, very good job market in India, all over the world for the data analytics or the data engineering, data science. Data science, I don't recommend because it is very complicated thing. Data engineering, data analytics, 3 months courses each one. Data science will be 18 months course, almost 2 years course. Data science. Data science is also called as AI, artificial intelligence or machine learning. I don't recommend this course. Why I don't recommend, I will tell you. We are also teaching this course, but it will be for 18 months, heavy coding and more stress. Data analytics or data engineering you can learn. So these courses only for the 3 months. So 3 months and 3 months, very, very easy. You will be able to learn. So this is completely no coding. This is some medium level of coding. If you wanted to get into this, you will have medium level of coding, but data engineering will be medium coding. Data analytics will be little coding or less coding. And artificial intelligence will have more coding. I don't recommend to go into AI side. You get a job in the data analytics and work for 1 or 2 years. If you're really interested, jump into data engineering from here to here. So here to here, you can jump, right? Here to here, you can jump. And last, if you're really interested, after 5 years, you can jump into data science. Okay. So we'll talk about all of them in detail. So what is a cloud? I'm going to be talking about it. So job market is very, very good all over the world. Even though recession is going on, people working towards data will be paid high salaries. That one example just now I have given you, right? If there is a, no demand means 8 lakh guy, how is able to get a 23 lakh salary package? How is able to get 16 lakh salary package? So people will ask you, 8 lakhs currently you have, I will give you 30% of hike on your existing salary. That is what normally people will say. Because of one skill, people are not asking you. This company has given 16 lakh package within 1 month. They told him, we will give you now 18.5 lakhs. So who can tell me 2.5 lakhs they have increased within 30 days of time because of one skill, right? So if you have a skill, no recession is there, nothing is there, anybody can jump. So you will get 100% hike, 200% hike, almost 200% hike here. So 200% hike here, 100% hike, or 120%, 130% hike you will be able to get. You have to believe one skill, one mentor, one guru, so that nobody can stop you, nobody can do anything in your life. Clear? So that is what I wanted to tell you. So data analytics, how many years I can survive? I have started data analytics 23 years ago. I'm a data analyst since 2002, 2003 onwards. Now you tell me it will be there another 1,000 years in your life, because wherever there is a data analytics, data science, data engineering will be there. Clear? In my lifetime, I did not work in Java.net. I have started my career in year 2000 in Bangalore, right? I knew C and C++ that time and Java.net. One of my mentor and guru, currently he is working for ISB, Indian School of Business, Hyderabad. His name is Ranganathan, right? I was, taking his support. He told me, Bhaskar, the next boom is for the data. So data is wealth. Data is, everything today. You jump into data. He told me into the year 2002. So Srinivas and Ranganathan having a IIT Chennai and IIM Bangalore, and he was having vice president in City Corp Mumbai, and Wipro. He was working as a president in Wipro Bangalore, and he started his own firm in Bangalore. I was working under his firm. It was a startup in 1993. I joined in this in his company in year 2000. That time he was telling me, Bhaskar, you better jump into this. So that time everybody's talking about Java.net. I was the person, because of his motivation and decision, I'm able to go into his data analyst. Even today in my family, there are 100 people. I'm only pushing all Java developers, all .NET developers, all SAP developers in my family also. I'm shifting towards data analyst and data science and data engineering, this kind of a roles. So there is no problem at all for you. Only thing is that if you don't know the course, if you don't know the proper knowledge, so you need to keep shifting from here to there to here. Clear? Okay. So Dinesh Kumar is asking, sir, I have 6 years of experience in desktop support. Will I be considered as experienced person or a fresher in this field? This is a good question. So if we have any experience, so what normally we do? We are going to be converting. So this is the thing is asking me, sir, I have 6 years of experience as a desktop support engineer. I'll be considered experienced person or not. So normally what we do, we will say, I have total 6 years of experience in the some domain knowledge, out of which we will say 3.5 years. So we will convert minimum 3 to 4 years. So minimum 3 to 4 years, we will be able to convert as a BI developer or data analyst. So whatever be the subject I'm going to be giving, that will be sufficient for you to crack 3 to 4 years of interview. Clear? And you can also survey with the company. If you have 10 years of gap, for example, Mukesh told me, sir, I have a 10 years of experience as some I don't know, some designation he was having, some system analyst, I think. I don't know what is his designation. So I told him, you say total 10 years of experience you have in the current field, but we have put 4 years completely into data analyst in the current company. I was also analyzing my current law firm data, blah, blah, blah. How many cases, which lawyer won, and, when did they won, and what kind of a cases they were, dealing with, all the law cases. So we were completely converting his existing projects into BA projects, and I was giving one-to-one support. After the class, I will give you CV preparation guidance based on your experience. I'm going to be giving you projects for you to work. So these projects are, you will get some free projects, right? And CV preparations will be taken care by me. And explanation of the project, I'm going to be doing. So assignments I'm going to be giving. Everything is included in your same fee. There is no extra fee for anything. Only one fee for all the material and everything. You should not be worried at all. Am I clear? So you can convert any experience, even though you have 15 years of experience, right? So out of which we can convert 3 to 4 years of experience as a BI developer or as a data analyst. So remaining experience, we will be able to say that you are working for the non-IT firm, right? So if you're a housewife means, we will say 10 years I'm completely housewife. And after that, I got the job 3 years back. Currently, I'm working with so and so firm, blah, blah, blah. You will be able to say like that. Okay. So all of them, I will be able to help you at the end. But without the knowledge, you will not be able to do anything. Knowledge is mandatory. If you have a knowledge, anything we can say in the interview, they don't ask you what is your qualification, what is your skill. They will ask you within 10 seconds, they will bypass the question and they'll ask you the subject only. So they'll ask you, tell me your qualification, tell me your educational background. Just 1 or 2 minutes, they will skip those questions when you answer them and they'll continue with the syllabus and the proper skills. If you're able to crack the interview, everything will be wiped off. Clear? That is what is important thing. So what you cannot improve, so what you do not measure, that you cannot improve. It is a good saying. If you're not able to understand what is going on in your life, definitely you will not be able to improve, right? So if you want to improve, you need to take your data, you have to analyze your data. That is what is called data analytics. Take the data and improve yourself based on your data, maybe expenses data, maybe income level data, whatever it is that you have it, right? So trainer's profile, guys, I'm having almost 25 years of experience. I worked for many good companies and MNCs in Bangalore. First 10 years, year 2000 to 2010, I was there. Worked for Unilever, Symbiosis, worked for TVS Motors, Daimler Chrysler, Infosys, Capgemini, a lot of other companies in Bangalore. And after that, I moved to Chennai and Hyderabad as well. Currently, I'm in Hyderabad. I worked for Patni Computer Chennai almost 2 years. Navaluru in Chennai. After that, moved to Hyderabad. Worked for Accenture. After that, worked in Microsoft, Hyderabad, Gachibowli. So currently, I'm not working for any MNC. I came out and currently I'm sharing my knowledge, because if you don't have a good people who are having real-time knowledge, real-time exposure, so definitely you will not be able to get, next generation will not be able to create. So I'm sharing my knowledge. I wanted to help the society so that you're ready for the industry. Clear? So only normal degrees, normal qualifications, when you have it, you will not be able to get into IT sector. With the 20 days course or 30 days courses, you will not be able to get into IT sector. You need to have a proper mentor in your life, not the course you can learn any course. So if you take a proper mentor, the mentor can decide which course to learn, how to learn, blah, blah, blah. Clear? So participant profile, I have told you, you can be any graduate, any, discontinued graduate. After that, you would have done your qualification in the distance education. Doesn't matter. Qualification, any degree, any BA, BCom, civil engineering, mechanical engineering, or BCom, botany, zoology, anything is fine. Age gap, you can become 40 years, 50 years old also, doesn't matter. Job opportunities and salary expectations in India and abroad, minimum 3 years. When you put it, you will be able to get 10 to 15 lakh salary packages in India. In abroad, you will be able to get minimum 60 70K packages that you will be able to get. So in abroad, US, UK, with 5 or 7 years of experience, right? My students are getting maximum, 60K to 200K, approximately 1.3, 1.4, 1.5 crore packages in US and UK, right? So duration of the course will be 3 months. Free projects are included. materials I'm going to be giving, assignments, case studies, enough material I'm going to be giving. Methodology of the training completely online and using videos only. CV and interview preparation is going to be covered as part of this training. Job placement assistance means everything for the job I can give you, but you don't ask me for the proxies. I'm not here to give you proxies. I am not give you here, show you the backdoor jobs. That kind of things we will not be able to show you at all. So whatever you need for the job placement, I can give you. You need questions, you need projects, you need explanations, you need, real-time topics. Everything you ask me, I will be able to give it to you. But I cannot take your interview. I cannot do any other backdoor jobs and everything. That is for sure. Clear? So that is what I can say about it. Now, any graduate, any non-IT, IT professionals can come into this, any age. Teachers, sales professionals, housewives, healthcare professionals, banking, insurance guys, BA, BSc, BCom, BPharmacy, MPharmacy, MSc, any qualification you have, even diploma guys also can get into this. BTech, all branches can get, any year passed outs also can come into this. Clear? Last year, one guy came from UK at the age of 47. That guy got a job in Bangalore at the age of 47. Akshay, 36. Right? And lot of people at the age of 41, 42. One guy name is called Chari. At the age of 42 from HCL finance domain, he jumped to IT domain. One girl from PhD background, B Pharmacy, M Pharmacy, PhD background, she got into this company. And M Pharmacy and PhD also she has done, earning only 20, 30,000 rupees as a research scholar in the Dr. Reddy's laboratories. She jumped into IT industry. So anybody can jump. Only thing is that you need to have proper mentoring. Clear? So anyone can learn this course. Hot skill, high salaries jobs, no coding is required. I cannot say zero coding, but at least minimum coding you need to have. 60 hours, syllabus. Every month 20 hours, not more than 20 hours. 20 hours, 20 hours, 20 hours. So 3 months course it will be Monday to Friday classes, but demo will be there tomorrow, Saturday. Being a Saturday, we can have demo tomorrow. Daily recorded values, I'm going to be giving it to you. Real-time topics, I'm going to be giving it to you. 6 months validity for the course or the videos also. After 6 months, the validity will not be there. For example, you paid the course today, you discontinued the class 2 months. So after third month, you asked me, there is no problem at all. You can continue without, we don't ask you any questions. Without asking a question, you will be able to enroll for the batch. But if 6 months crossed means you will not be able to get any other assistance. Even for the videos access will not be there, or for the live classes access also will not be there. The 6 months validity for the course and the videos as well. Sample CVs are going to be given at the end of the course. Preparation is going to be given. Online lab support I'm going to be giving. Interview questions are going to be discussed in the class. And placement assistance and support across will be given. And in my goonlinetrainings.com, you will be able to go. You will be able to get a lot of jobs we are posting on daily basis. If you go to goonlinetrainings.com, when you click on the jobs link, you will be able to click on this, and daily job postings are available. BA developer, Power BI developer, great job opportunities for Power BI, data analytics, ETL developer, SQL developer. So you will be able to click and apply these job posting on daily basis, right? We can go to gallery. You will be able to get all the people who's getting the jobs, right? All the people, even Mahesh, my old student, he got a job now, 23 lakhs salary package. Last month only got the job. So Sham Kumar, so Mukesh Srivastava got two jobs. One is with 23 and 16 lakhs, right? Lot of people. So you will be able to Kaushik Mitra from Kolkata. You can see a lot of recorded videos also have posted. And this guy got Arshvardhan 35 lakh salary package, right? All of them, some of them are having zero knowledge, some of them having. This guy working for ICICI Bank for last 10 years, right? He was getting almost 7, 8 lakhs salary package. Vijay Kumar, last month only got 16 lakh salary package, and a BCom background guy. And you can listen to this guy's story as well, right? A lot of things are available. We did not post it, but thousands of people all over the world got the jobs. I am starting teaching I think year 2010 onwards, I'm teaching, right? I would have trained at least 1 lakh plus students all over the world. Clear? I was in Infosys Mysuru and used to teach thousands of students in Infosys Mysuru campus in year 2006, 7, 8. And I was there in Pune, KPIT Technologies. I used to train thousands of people in Pune uh, 10 to 15 years back. CGI, Bangalore. So I used to teach a lot because I love teaching. Whenever I get a time, even though working as a full-time employee, Saturday, Sunday, I used to go to colleges and I used to teach a lot of training programs. Clear? So lifetime access for unlimited data sets, interview questions, sample CVs, free projects are included, assignments are included, flexible learning, anytime can learn using videos, live clarification sessions are going to be there, one-to-one live interactive notes, clarification sessions are going to be there. You need not be worried at all. So we are also going to create a Telegram group once you make the payment on the Monday so that you can also discuss your questions and everything as part of that group as well. Clear? So as part of data analytics, what are we going to learn? So we are going to be learning all these 5 courses. Okay. Only if you learn Power BI, you will not be able to get a job. We are going to be learning SQL Server. We are going to be learning SSIS, data warehousing, and we are going to be learning SSAS. All these things I will be able to explain tomorrow, day after tomorrow, Sunday we are off. And Monday, we are going to be talking about all these courses. If you learn only Power BI, you don't get a job at all. You need to learn this. You have to learn this. You have to learn this. Clear? That is the reason I will take 3 months of time. It is not only one course. It will be 5 courses you are going to be enrolling. But all of them, I'm going to be teaching from very, very basic level to advanced level. So that is what I'm going to be talking about. Let me tell you what is a data analytics means, what is a data engineering means. Let me give you. So BI stands for business intelligence, or BI is also called as a DA. DA means data analytics. Data analytics. So business intelligence or data analytics stands for, what is the need for a BI means it is understanding the past. Okay. So understanding the past is called as data analytics. Okay. So Amazon company wanted to know what was my sales in India last 5 years, or I wanted to know what was the sales in goonlinetrainings.com last 1 year or last quarter, right? So understanding the past is called data analytics, or people will say reporting the past. Reporting the past is called as a data analytics or business intelligence. Then we were talking about data science, right? So data science is talking about artificial intelligence today. It is also called as a machine learning, or people today calling this also deep learning. All of them are synonyms. Clear? When you say data science or artificial intelligence or AI, artificial intelligence, machine learning, deep learning means it is predicting the future. Okay, remember this. So both of them needs a data. So data science needs a data, and data analytics or business intelligence need data. Data science is going to be predicting the future. So AI application is going to be answering Amazon.com like this. It is going to be asking, what will be my sales in India next 5 years? This is the question AI can tell you, or a data science can tell you, or ML application can tell you. What will be my sales in India next 5 years? Or what was my sales in India last 5 years? Clear? So the predictions and everything will be easily will be done in the data science, but data science will be very, very complicated one. It will take a minimum 18 months to complete. We have this course. We have a trainer, Mr. Teja. he was working for Chandrayaan project. He was IIT guy and currently working for one of the top MNCs in Hyderabad, and he was working for a Chandrayaan project. So Ravi Teja is going to be teaching you data science in our Go online trainings. Data analytics, I'm going to be teaching, which will be 3 months course. Clear? So which will be very, very easy and anybody can learn, and no coding or low coding. Okay? No coding, or I'll say low coding. So that is what you need to know. Clear? So remember this, but here you have to know the coding, not only coding, problem solving skills you need to know. Problem solving skills you need to know, and you have to know stats you need to know, you have to know maths you need to know, coding, in depth of Python coding also you have to learn. It will take a minimum 18 months to complete it. So I strongly recommend, don't jump into data science. Clear? Data science needs a data, data analytics needs a data. Right now, if you wanted to know what is a data all about, if you wanted to know what is the data all about, so data, according to Microsoft, data is currency today. According to Microsoft, you talk about something today, it is a data. According to Microsoft, data is a currency today, right? And the same question, if you ask to Google, Google will say data is everything today. Whatever you think, that is data today. You think about artificial intelligence, that is the data. You think about driverless cars, that is data. You think about robotics, that is data. You think about all companies are completely changing a lot of things in this world. A lot of things are getting automated. That is because of data. Clear? Even if you ask me what IT industry is doing, you ask me some, if it is a steel industry, it is going to be taking ore and giving you a lot of, steel. If you are going for the automobile industry, it's going to be, manufacturing the cars like that. Every industry has to produce something, right? So what IT industry is going to be producing? IT industry is going to be doing only two things. You should not say IT industry is going to be creating a software. That is completely wrong. Very clear? IT industry stands for information technology, right? And IT industry stands for information technology. IT industry is going to be taking your data, and IT industry is going to be storing your data. That is one thing. And afterwards, it is going to be processing it your data. So only these two things IT industry is going to be doing, nothing else. Clear? So let me talk about IT industry, what it does. So it is going to be either storing your data. That is one thing. Data may be your social media data, company data, this data, that data, any data it is going to be taking and try to store the data. That is one thing IT industry is going to be doing. The second one, IT industry is going to be computing your data. Remember, computing means what? It is going to be processing your data. Clear? So for you to store the data, IT industry is going to be using a software called SQL software. Remember this point. If I wanted to store the data manually, I can use a paper and a pen, right? I can buy a book, I can use paper and a pen, I will be able to write the data. For example, I wanted to write expenses data, or I wanted to write salaries data, or I wanted to write my sister's marriage expenses data. So what I do, I carry a pen and a paper. I'm able to write a lot of data. After that, I will analyze the data. I will do a lot of summing operations. Summing means processing. What is the total amount given for the flowers and decoration? What is the total amount we have given for the jewelry and gold? What is the total amount paid for the let us say catering people? What is the salary? What is the total amount towards return gifts and other expenses? What is the total expenses for the travel and accommodation? Right, like that. I wanted to take the data and do a lot of processing. Processing means Simply, I wanted to do lot of summing operation, or sometimes we wanted to count how many people have attended. That is a counting operation, right? How many people came for the lunch party? How many people came for the Sangeet party? How many people, male people have attended for the Sangeet? How many people are there in, Sangeet for the from the bride side, bridegroom side? Like that, lot of questions we're going to be asking, right? All these are where this is what is called computing. Computing means processing. Clear? So if you wanted to work in the IT industry, either you are going to be working towards data storing technologies, that is SQL you need to learn, or you will be able to uh, uh, work with the computing side. Clear? If you wanted to compute the data or if you wanted to process the data, so this is when we are going to be using a language, right? For example, I have data 10 and 20. So what is the total? Total will be done by the language 30. What is the average? 15. What is the count? Two numbers. What is the minimum? 10. What is the maximum? 20. Like that, all of them can be done with the help of a language called a C or a C++ or a Java or a .NET or a Python. Any language will take a lot of data that is stored in SQL, or it is also called as a database management system, or people will be calling this as a relational database management system. Either database management system or relational database management system, or people will be calling this as SQL. Clear? So IT industry is going to be storing the data. We have given only two numbers here, but I'm talking about billions of data. 1 billion is equivalent to 100 crore. If somebody gives you this kind of a data, I wanted to know what is the sum of these numbers. I wanted to know what is the average of this number. I wanted to know what is the count of this number. What is the minimum in this number, in this data? What is the maximum in this data? If you wanted to have a billions of data, then doing processing by human beings are very, very difficult. That is the reason we are not going to be doing the processing work, computing work. Earlier, we were using a calculator, but a calculator can process only small amount of data. So we are going to be using a bigger computer. Inside that, we're going to be installing a language. So one of the language will go here, will get the data. We will be able to get all of them. So either you can use C, C++, Java, .NET, Python. So processing means that is also called as an arithmetical operation. We're going to be performing counting, aggregating, finding minimum, maximum, average, sorting the data alphabetically, right? So whatever be the operation that you're going to be performing, that is what is called a computing. A computer means, so this kind of a things the computer is going to be doing for you with the help of a language, right? So if you wanted to work with the data, first you know how to store the data. Clear? So that is what. So we are not going to be learning C, C++, Java, .NET here. Completely, we are going to be using what is called as a SQL you need to know, or SQL you need to know. So remember, if you wanted to know store the data, so what is it we're going to be learning? SQL is also called as database management system, or it is also called as RDBMS tools or softwares. Clear? So what are we going to do? We are going to be only storing the data inside your IT industry. Clear? If you wanted to store your, gold, where will you store? Gold bank. If you wanted to store your data, where will you store, gold bank. If you wanted to store a lot of data, where will you store? Data bank. Data bank is called as a database. Clear? Database means a data bank. I have a lot of blood. You store the blood in the blood bank. Like that, I have a lot of gold bank. I have a lot of data. Databases are called as data banks. So I have a lot of data banks in the world. The popular data bank is called Oracle. Or Oracle is a data bank. We have HDFC Bank, ICICI Bank, Union Bank, Deutsche Bank, Citibank, like that. Lot of banks I have where I can store the cash. Like that, I have a lot of data banks. Oracle, it is from the Oracle company. SQL Server from the Microsoft company. IBM company also have a software called DB2. It is IBM company RDBMS software or SQL software. And Netezza, it is also IBM company's software. And MySQL, it is a free software from this company. You need not pay not even single rupee to anybody. And PostgreSQL. And we have Teradata. Like that, lot of softwares are available. Sybase, okay, lot of softwares are available, thousands of softwares are available. These are called as SQL softwares or database management softwares, or you can say all of them are called as a tools. Clear? So Oracle is not a language, SQL Server is not a language, Telugu, English is not a software. These are languages, right? C, C++, Java, .NET or languages like. So mathematics is not a language, science is not a language, social studies is not a language, right? So Oracle is not a language, which is a software or a tool. So what it does, which is going to be storing your data and which is going to be retrieving your data. So whenever you need something which is going to be storing your data, retrieving your data, so all these are called as data go down technologies. I have a go down, what I do, I keep the items there, I get the items there. If I have a tank, what I do? I put the water, I get the water. I fill the water in the tank, I'm going to be getting the water from the tank. So that is how we're going to be talking about it. What is Oracle? A bigger tank where data can be stored from the Oracle company. What is SQL Server? It is a Microsoft tank or a bank where you can purchase this tank, you can put your data. Clear? Your Amazon company data, your Flipkart data, PhonePe data. So all the data, uh, your Book My Show data, banking data, LIC data, passport data, Aadhaar card data, all the data will be stored inside your RDBMS only. So a lot of businesses are going to be using either Oracle or SQL Server from the Microsoft DB2 to store their data. Remember this. Clear? If you open bookmyshow.com or if you go to State Bank of India today, open an account, fresh account today, your data is going to be stored in the a database only, maybe Oracle, maybe SQL Server, that we do not know. But you need to know that data of the company will be stored in one of these softwares only. For example, you go to Amazon.com today. So I told you that you need to have one laptop. Let me tell you one laptop that you can buy. Let me search for the laptop. I can say you can buy below 35,000 rupees. What is the configuration I need? i3, i4, 4 GB of RAM minimum, 512 GB and Windows 11. So this kind of a configuration we need to have. Windows 11 is compulsory or Windows 10 is compulsory, right? i3, i4, i5, any configuration is fine. 33,000 rupees you will be able to get the laptop. For example, you decided that you need to buy this laptop. You will be making the payment, right? The payment data will be going to SQL Server or Oracle only. I'm giving you this link in the chart window. You will be able to buy this kind of a laptops you can buy. Don't go below 35,000 rupees. Clear, guys? So if you wanted to click on purchase button here, you will be able to make the payment phone pay or Google Pay, maybe credit card, net banking. So all the data is going to be stored where in either oracle.com or maybe maybe Oracle SQL Server. The data will be stored. But you think that I have given my card information in the Amazon may be storing your data in your Oracle. Okay. So Acer laptop, this is also very good purchase. I bought this laptop just 10 days ago. It is quite a good laptop for 29,000 rupees. Clear? So this is also same configuration. I purchased it. You can also purchase if you wanted to have this kind of a laptop. But 35, this is also good. But don't go for 70 to 75. So and don't go for very cheaper laptops also. For example, Celeron, don't buy this processor. Never buy this processor. Very cheapest software in laptops. Clear? never buy Celeron processors. These are completely useless, right? So it is AMD Ryzen. This is also good, and this laptop is also why you will be able to purchase Acer, and this is very good laptop. You can buy this configuration. Minimum 4 GB RAM I want to have, minimum 256 GB SSD I need to have, minimum i3 i4 AMD Ryzen. I don't need Celeron laptops. Clear? So whenever you purchase anything, your data may be going through Amazon.in to one of your Oracle or SQL Server only. Clear? So data storing will be done here. So data processing purpose, we may use any language here. So tomorrow we'll continue further. Language may be C or C++ or maybe Python, right? Maybe Java or .NET etc. Lot of things are available here. Okay, etc. will continue further tomorrow. So I spoken about what is a data in a data analytics today, and I spoken about data science today. And tomorrow I'll be able to talk about what is data engineering. Okay, then I'll be talking about different tools that we are going to be learning. So day after tomorrow we are going to be learning what is this one. So SQL Server, now you know what is SQL Server. SQL Server means it is going to be a go down or a bank where you have to store the data. Why are we learning SQL Server, not Oracle? Because Power BI belong to Microsoft. Compulsorily you have to learn SQL Server. So not basics, in depth of data you need to know. Without data, Power BI is not going to work, right? You have to know how to store the data, how to retrieve the data. 45 hours of classes are going to be there for the SQL Server. So first 2 months, we're going to be learning parallelly SQL Server 1 hour, Power BI 1 hour. So that is what I'm going to be planning. The remaining things we're going to be learning in the third month. So November and December, we're going to be learning these two together. And January 2025, we're going to be learning SSIS and data warehousing. And this one, once this is over, I'm going to be giving you a project for free that you need to practice. Assignments will be there. From the next week onwards, lab is going to be starting. You have to take minimum 1 week time and arrange the laptop, software and everything. I'm going to be installing probably by Tuesday. We are going to be having how to install the softwares and everything. Chalo guys, we'll continue tomorrow. If you have any questions, I have given my direct number. Anytime you can also call me if you have any questions anytime. This is my direct number, guys, and try to utilize this opportunity. And happy Diwali once more, guys, and try to fill this form. This form I have given in the chat window. So fill the form. If you have any other questions, you can ask me now. So tomorrow we'll continue with the second day demo with the same meeting ID, guys. Any questions?